We've looked at objects and studied how they allow us to bundle related functionality into a single type. For example, color, point, vector, and account. These are all separate objects, but within an object, we take related behaviors and package them together. Now, for some data types, we have an idea of what we want the data type to do, but various ideas of how it might be implemented. For example, you think about a car. A car has the ability to start, to drive, to back up, but there's many different implementations, from a big semi-truck, which has certain purposes for carrying large loads, to a sports car, which gets you from A to B in a very quick way. So abstractly, the interface is get in the car started and drive, but the implementation might have very different characteristics from a semi-truck to a race car. So what we're going to study here is this idea of an abstract data type. In the abstract data type, we see the signatures, which we've already studied, of the methods that are offered by the data type, but we don't see the implementations at all. A concrete class can come along later and implement that any way it chooses, and often they're trading off various aspects of time, space, and perhaps other resources, where one implementation might be better under some circumstances and another favored under different circumstances. The particular abstract data types we consider here are, first of all, a list. A list is an ordered collection of objects. The order is important. For example, I'm going to go to the bank, withdraw money, and then spend it on something. In a different order, that wouldn't make any sense at all. We have the idea of a set, where the order is not important, but no duplicates are allowed. So the idea that I have nickels, dimes, and quarters in my pocket, if I don't care about how many there are, the fact that I have nickels and dimes could be a set. And then the last structure we look at is a map, which is a function from a domain to a range. For example, from a city to its temperature, that sort of thing. We're going to be using these for now as implemented in Java. Someone's already done the coding for us. We're just customers basically of that particular functionality. We'll examine how these things are implemented later on in the course.